What we doing with the $50?
Yeah, what you doing?
We
No,
going,
no, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Get some pizzas for me, Pizza Hut, maybe.
You gotta reinvest into your
Yo, stop
channel.
cussing, bro. What's wrong with
You
you?
gotta reinvest into your channel. You gotta reinvest into your channel, bro.
I'm trying, bro.
Facts, but you gotta,
Oh wait,
you
he's
gotta learn how to
right. Wait, he's
reinvest.
right. He's
Bro,
right.
I know because I made money online before. Bro.
He said, I know you right. Bro, this dude spent like $200 on a course, ain't gotten like nothing from it, bro.
Bro, this was like 3 years ago, bro.
That's still $200.
It was actually 600.
Oh,
So relax.
600.
That's more money than you've ever seen in your life.
What?
Hundreds.
Oh, that's crazy. Bro, chop, bro. I ain't got all day, bro. What are you doing?
You gotta wait 10 more minutes, my boy. You can play something else, and I'll tell you when to rejoin when it happens.
I'm gonna wait on you.
Y'all are some fat chuds, bruh.
Alan, chop. What's wrong with you, bro?
Like, what is that?
Why does soccer ball got legs, bro?
Nice.
Yo, this is not.
Where's the Michael Jackson?
Is that not
This
Messi?
is not the GOAT, bro.
Oh, that's Messi. I just noticed that.
It's Messi and Ronaldo. It's two jerseys.
Yeah, the goats. The goat.
Yeah, but they got Ronaldo's jersey wrong. It's supposed to be more red. Messi's is more better. Messi's is better.
You said what, boy?
Freaking Roblox game, bro. Play it and advertise it on YouTube.
Alright, I just recorded that.